How to correctly convert your GGives into CIMB Bank. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can convert your gifts from GCash to CIMB Bank. First thing you have to do is simply open up your GCash and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the View All Services option at the bottom of your screen. Once you view all of your services, you'll find different sections like Pay, Borrow, and Grow. Tap on the Borrow icon at the bottom. And once you have done that, all you have to do here is simply go ahead and choose GGives. Tap on it. Then you're going to have to create a payment for your CIMB bank and enter all of your details of the bank and then tap on OK. Then you'll be redirected to log into your CIMB bank. Simply log into your account and you should be good to go. That's how you basically transfer your GGives into the CIMB Bank. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.